Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll begin by preparing the computer and device so the unlock process can run smoothly. Connect the iPhone or iPad with a reliable USB cable. Make sure iTunes or Finder recognizes it. Once connected, identify the model in the utility so you can enter the correct recovery mode later. If you can still access settings, turn off Find My iPhone and perform a backup now. This preserves data. If not, don't worry, recovery will proceed, but understand that data may be erased. Next, you enter recovery mode. Follow the exact button sequence for your model, press and hold the correct buttons until the recovery screen appears. On the computer, Finder or iTunes will detect a device in recovery and offer update or restore. Choose Restore to remove the screen time passcode. The app downloads the firmware and flashes the device. This step erases the passcode and often all content. Once the restore completes, the device will restart and show the setup screen. Finish by setting up the device. You can restore from the backup you made earlier or set it up as new. Then create a new screen time passcode and enable Find My only after confirming access. If the restore fails, retry the firmware download or switch USB ports and cables because interruptions cause errors. Once done, make sure software is updated. If problems persist, put the device in DFU mode for a deeper restore or contact Apple support for diagnostic.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.